I'm here live at Habitat, and let's see what they have here today, shall we? These are all the light shades, which they have a whole plethora of. I don't see the 100 mounting bracket anymore, but hopefully somebody took it. Some $6, that's not bad for that. Outdoor fixtures. And yep, that ceiling fan's still there. It's $10. Debating about getting it to be good for like a garage fan. Here is a Kichler ceiling fan. Okay, here is the mother load, a Casablanca Artisan. Don't know how much they want for it, but if I get a good price on it. Oh, never mind, they want $75 for it, or 25, $75. Yeah, so much. If it was 25, I'd probably get it, but I think it's probably not worth it if it's not all there. Is it? No, still not. This is like the common Casablanca Artisan. I'd put it. What I do is I'd have to order a low ceiling adapter and oil rub bronze. Put in my bedroom. There's that crest thingamabob right there. I just dropped off an incoming hugger, so. So that Kichler, $120. That country. Serial number is KF140213. The Casablanca, so if you have a Casablanca dating chart handy, you can look that up if you will. Oh, there's the 100 mounting bracket right there. Something like hugger would get donated here and that used it, and that way it'd be complete. But unfortunately, people do not know their ceiling fans like they should. I guess you can put this on a pull chain out of it. $1. That's been there a long time. I might get that. Even though I got a whole plethora of it still. Never know when you might need them. So there's that, some double glass. Okay.